A very, very good morning, all of you present over here. Someone has rightly said the capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is a choice. And today, all of you has made a choice that you are not going to regret. With this, I, Niharika Saxena, the Vice President of Spasmodic, welcome you all to the induction session of Spasmodic LPU 2020. Today, we all are here to celebrate our newly added strength, our power of our organization. Hope you guys have a great experience, a very great learning experience working with us, and a lot many memories when you leave the university after 2 or 3 years. So I would like to heartily congratulate and welcome all the new members of our organization. And before handing over the mic to our respected CEO, Mr. Bivas Mishra, I would like to say the three magical words that we all are family now. And we are really very excited to work with you guys. Bivas, please.
I think he has left the meeting.
Just a minute, guys.
Hello, Niharika, is it clear?
Yes, Bivas, absolutely. You can start.
Okay, guys, just a minute. I hope the slide is visible. Niharika, is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Spasmodic LPU family. We I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the organization, just as a brief. So, firstly, Spasmodic LPU is a student organization. As we all know that there are like different sort of organizations in Lovely Professional University, which are registered under the aegis of Division of Student Welfare. So Spasmodic is one of them, which is registered under Student Organization Cell, which is further a division under a Division of Student Welfare. We started in January 2020 this year. The organization actually got registered in December 2019, but then holidays have started, so it was a big delay in beginning of the work process. So there are different domains in which the students organization can operate in the university. So our domain is hobbies and recreation. We work basically on hobbies and recreational activities for the members. Our tagline is nourishing young prodigies, right? So we are basically a organization which believe in nourishing young prodigies. Prodigies means nourishing the young upcoming brains that are coming up in days to come. So it is basically being started by the students of Mithil School of Business. We all, the basic team which started this organization belongs to Mithil School of Business. Next comes uh, a brief mission and vision statement of the organization, right? So our mission is nourishing the young prodigies. So nourishing the young prodigies means to nourish your brains to make you ready for tomorrow through grooming them to shape them well and make them an individual with enhanced professionalism and proper social responsibility. It means that not just grooming you to build you as a professional, but also to build you as a responsible person in the society, right? Even if being a business guy or being a corporate guy or being in any other field, the most important thing is being socially responsible. So that is what we are steadily going to groom in you. Next comes the vision. It is to become the most admired and diversified student organization that has a national presence, which believes in grooming individual brains to make them ready for a better tomorrow. So our vision is to become the most admired student organization in the country. There are different organizations being functioning, and steadily I'll tell you what is different about Spasmodic and why we are the only special organization in the nation right now. So we believe in grooming your brains to make you future ready. It means that we are grooming your brains to clear up all the myths that are there in your mind and to build you up to have a good future, to have a good learning experience from apart from your academics and core activities that is there in your university life. Next, I would like our COO to explain it further. Ankit, you can take the charge.
Yeah, hi all. So if you could just give me a minute for the technical issues. Yeah, Vivas. So am I visible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thanks. So first of all, a very heartily welcome to each and every new member who will be starting to work with us in the upcoming future. So before coming into there will be two things that I will be discussing right now with you all. That is one, the different types of work ethics and how do we perform in Spasmodic LPU, like what are the different ways we work in Spasmodic. And the second will be, I will be introducing you to the whole team, that is the senior members of Spasmodic LPU. So these will be two things that we'll be working on in the next 10 minutes. So starting with the organization function and work ethics. In Spasmodic, we believe in one thing on very honest part, that is there is no one who rules you. We all are a family. And just like every family, we are all united and standing together with each and everyone every time. So everyone works for themselves, but in behalf of the organization. There will be no one to force you, but just like each and every family that exists, we also have a ruling hierarchy. Like, for example, in your own family, you all are your own member, but still a father body or the senior member of the family is usually the one who decides on the thing. So that is the same way with Spasmodic, as we believe ourselves as a family. So this is how we explain the various parts of how Spasmodic work. Now coming into the formal part, like how Spasmodic is going and how do we work in the organization itself. So what I believe from my part over here is there are 4 types of work in each and every organization. Why 4 types? Usually you must have heard 2. That is the hard work and various other types of work. Usually you give a full effort. But according to me, like in my past experience and the way I've worked with various organizations, both in my high school level as well as my university level, and I've been working in LPU also for the past 2.5 years, along with few of my very, very good friends. Most of them are present here also. So I believe that the various forms of work also include three more parts. That is, one is the mental work, that is usually the planning of various events. The other is the financial part, which decides on the monetary values. And then comes hard work, which is the most important. But if you see, like above each and every type of work, what we believe in Spasmodic is the hard work. It is not hard, it is not mentally planning, it is not financial planning. It is the hard work that we believe in. So that's a whole part of Spasmodic being Spasmodic. We don't have to work hard if you are working with a heart. So that is how we can explain the various types of work. And now coming on to the organizational work. So looking forward as a CEO of the organization, we all will be working together in the upcoming future. So we will be working very, very, very closely, like every one of us, especially the core team. You will see the difference between other organizations and ours is the same, that we work very closely with our members because we don't give them the hierarchy. We give them the family. And in family, everyone is equal. No one is treated different. So that is why I hope that each and every one of you will be enjoying very, very much. So that ends the part of working format. Now coming up to a few ethics, that is, there will be decision-making bodies, hierarchies that you will have to like obey, I would say, because that's a strict word, but I would like to use the same because that it was keeps us in check. Every time you see that whatever you work for, it is not only you that you're working for, it is the name of the organization, it is the name of the university, it is the name of the faculties that are joined in with us, as well as the whole student organization cell. This is the whole thing you're working for. So even if you make a small to small mistake, the whole mistake is not only on you, but on the whole organization, the whole university, the whole student organization cell. So that is why we will have to maintain a hierarchy in between us. So this is what comes to my next part, that is introduction to the team. So as I just said that this is a family. Now, just like every family, there is a hierarchy in between us. So coming up to the part of hierarchy, I would now request all our old members or the existing members to turn up their videos and audios as I say their name. So coming up with the first, our CEO, Mr. Bivas Mishra. Bivas, if you could please introduce yourself to the whole team. After you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Ankit. I hope I'm loud and clear.
Yep, perfect.
Okay. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning, team. To all those young and nourishing minds that are going to work with us in the upcoming years. I am Bivas Mishra, and I'm the CEO of the organization. I'm going to lead your vision of accomplishing our dreams, accomplishing the team together to build a strong strength of team, a strong family rather, we would say. We don't always say it a team, right? We call it a family, moreover. So we are going to work together and build this as a family. This is a family, so you should give your dedication as like what you give to your family. So looking ahead to work with all of you, and thank you, Ankit, for introducing me. And over to you now.
Sure, Bivas. So next in the line is myself. So not to boast about myself, but it is like I'm currently the working CEO. So the CEO is the full form of chief of operating in the university. So what does the chief of operating mean? So basically, whatever on-campus events and whatever events that go on are usually supervised by me. So later on, you will come on to know the whole hierarchy of the team. But as per mine, it has been an excellent journey working with Spasmodic for the last 9 months. Most of us have been working together for more than 9 months actually. But at Spasmodic, we are together for like 9 months. And I must say that it has been an experience like no other organization. So I hope that you all get the same experience as well in your upcoming future. Other than this, if you want to say that what are my functions in the organization, I would rather say that whenever there is something, a help required, I'm always there for you. That will be all. Next, coming up to the hierarchy chart is Amlan, our president of the organization. Amlan, off to you.
Thank you, Ankit. Hello, guys. Good morning. Warm regards from Amlan. I am the president of student organization Spasmodic. And if I talk about my role in Spasmodic Student Organization, I'm I used to keep a check in the smooth flow of work and the operations done by the members of our organization. And a small message to all the fresh talents that are going to join hands with us are, be determined, be persistent with us, then you will be getting the results within the 3 years which you are going to spend with us. Okay, thank you. Over to Ankit.
Thank you, Amlan. Next come in the line is our very own Vice President, Niharika Saxena. Niharika has already introduced herself. Let's see what she has to say.
Yes, so guys, as I stated earlier, my name is Niharika and I'm the Vice President of our organization. Though this is just for the paperwork, you can consider me as your mentor, your friend, and I supervise all the departments of our organization. And you can contact me anytime for anything, for any grievance, for any problem, any suggestion, complaint, or anything. You can always feel free to contact me. And I know there's no need to mention it, but as a part of my duty, I should say, especially for girls, if you feel any problem within the organization or outside the organization, please contact me and then we'll solve it together. Okay, so thank you so much. Welcome, everyone.
Thank you, Niharika. Next comes in the line is Angela. Angela is our very own Chief of Business. Let's see what she has to say. Off to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Angela Mahajan. I am Chief Strategy Officer of Spasmodic. Firstly, I congratulate all you team members for being part of this organization. I am part of this organization, Spasmodic, since last 9 months. I have joined this organization to develop my leadership qualities and management skills. And honestly saying, this is the best organization I could ever have to increase my skills. My role in Spasmodic is to business development. And if you are having any kind of ideas or something, you can contact me. And I assure you, your ideas will be implemented. And all the best to you guys. And if you need any help, contact me. Feel free to call or feel free to message or any kind of query you are having. And I hope you guys give the best to the organization. All the best.
Thank you, Angela. Next, we have our very own Chief of Marketing, Muskan. But for some reason, I hope Muskan will not be able to speak in the meeting. So I think Vivas will take over that.
Yes, sure. So due to some issues, Muskan won't be able to speak. So I'm going to introduce her. Muskan Patel is the Chief Marketing Officer of Spasmodic. She takes care of how our marketing campaigns would reach out to people, what sort of strategies would be followed to promote the events and to let the events reach out to the whole audience, target audience that we want to. So Muskan Patel is responsible for the same. Any sort of marketing queries and marketing department related issues, you can directly contact us. Steadily, you will be able to know everybody from the team. So she's here, but she won't be able to speak up. So I am introducing her on behalf of her. She's Muskan Patel, the Chief Marketing Officer of Spasmodic LPU. Over to you, Ankit.
Thank you, Vivas. So the next in line, we have our very own HR, Simran Gupta. Simran is also not available right now, so I will be speaking on behalf of her. So Simran is our very own HR. She is the head of the Human Resource Management at Spasmodic LPU. Any problem related to any issues that you have during any of the members or any of us, you can always reach out to Muskan for any type of grievances. Since she is responsible for Simran, she's responsible for any type of problem, issues, and the way the organization works in the university itself. That's all from my side. If you need to contact her, you can contact her on the same process as Vivas already stated, that as you're introduced to the whole team, you will very soon check that we all are in the same group that is already existing in Spasmodic 2020. So you can reach out to her anytime required. So that ends the first level hierarchy over here. Now we are starting with our very own content chief, that is Aditya. Aditya, off to you.
Thank you so much, Ankit. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kumar Pandey and I am the CCO of the organization, that is Chief Content Officer. And I'm going to give words to your thoughts if you want anything to go on the different social media. And the question which comes is why Spasmodic? So my reason would be because my friends are there in Spasmodic. That's why I chose Spasmodic. And I remember the afternoon when we were discussing in front of Dosa Plaza having lunch that we should start this. It's the time now, if Ankit and Devash would remember. And from there we have started. And after a while, I got to know that there are so much to learn. If you are not in any organization, you would not learn uh, uh, different things. That as in if you want to be in the corporate in the next few years, you need to know what the environment is in the corporate, and we are providing the same with this organization. And my experience would be that you will learn many things, as in knowledge, information. You also would share different information to all of us. It's not like that we are going to share something. You will be also given the chance to explore, to explore the world, to see the new things, to share what it is coming into your mind. So I think it's a great platform to all of you, and you will also be getting free certificates. So don't worry about that. Thank you, Ankit.
Okay. Thank you very much, Aditya. So you know the place where to contact for your all Facebook and Instagram post now. So that's the place. Now, after this, I would like to introduce to our out campus members. That is, firstly, let's start with Dipansh. I hope Dipansh is unavailable right now due to some network issues. So Dipansh won't be here with us right now. We have Agam with us. Agam, if you would like to take up.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I
Agam.
audible?
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Good morning, everyone present over here. I am Agamjot Singh. I am Chief of Out-Campus Management in Spasmodic Group, LPU. First of all, I want to congratulate you all on joining our team. So I want to share my experience. I joined this group this year, and since then it has been an honor to be a part of this inspirational organization. This organization is full of opportunities and always gives a chance to explore ourselves. This organization gives a lot of opportunities to everyone, and I just want you all to grab those opportunities and be a fruitful asset to this organization. Thank you all and welcome to our team.
Thank you, Agam. Now, next we have our Chief of Technical. That is Keshav. Keshav, are you here? Keshav?
Yes,
Yeah.
bhai.
Yes.
Hello. Thank you, Uncle Bhai. So myself, Keshav Sharma, and I'm the CTO, the Chief Technical Officer of the Spasmodic company. So what's my duty? I'm just to take care about venues and technical issues about technical issues. And if you have any queries and about the technical things, just contact. Feel free to correct me. Thank you, Uncle Bhai. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you a lot, Keshav. So that is a whole hierarchy that we have right now. So I hope that we have Akhil with us. Akhil is also one of our Chief External Officer. Akhil, are you there?
Yes, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Akhil, and first of all, I would like to tell that is another family from your home. एक बात आपको कहना चाहूंगा कि जैसे एलपीयू में दो टाइप की लाइफ होती है, एक 9 to 5 और एक आफ्टर 5। अगर आप लोगों ने आफ्टर 5 की लाइफ जीना सीख लिया तो आप सक्सेस है। और स्पेसमोडिक एक दूसरा फैमिली और एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। आई होप वी विल मीट सून। ओके, थैंक यू भाई।
Thank you. So that was the whole part. Yes, very well stated, Akhil, actually. That is, one is 9 to 5 and one is after 5. So coming up to that part, I would just like to take a few more minutes on this particular thing. That is, Spasmodic is the place that will give you the access to the freedom outside your academic world. So what is actually this? So I would just give you a brief example and then we will go off to Bivas for any further queries. So what is Spasmodic? So we are working like in different kind of events, not only on campus, but also online events, which you will be explained in the later duration of the session. So whatever happens on 9 to 5, you need a place to relieve yourself. You need a place where you can work out your brain outside the academic part. This is where Spasmodic comes in. We will give you something that is not on the academic part, but all the corporate part. We will keep you getting ready for the next life that is coming ahead after your 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, whatever is your formal degree session. With this, I would like to take off. With this, I, Ankit Chatterjee, the Chief Operating Officer of Spasmodic LPU, would sign off and go up to Bivas again for the further part of the session. And we will take back your queries if you have any in the later part. Thank you. Off to you, Bivas.
Thank you so much, Ankit. And as you all have already heard about different things that Ankit and other members have already talked on. So I would just like to begin before venturing out into the events. I would just like to begin with this a small thing. You might have heard what Ratan Tata ji said during the launch of Nano, Tata Nano. So the statement, I could reiterate the statement. It was, a dream is a dream, right? So if a product like Nano could come up as a dream, as a commitment, so I would just like to say the same way Spasmodic began, and indeed it was a dream that some enthusiastic students could see of, and to venture out into a field that was untapped, because Restolf is, I would just like to tell you what makes the difference between Spasmodic and others. See, this is a frank thing that being into an entertainment organization is very easy. Why it is easy? It is easy because if you be into an entertainment organization, you could pay the money to the artist and book their slot for, let's say, for a concert or for an event maybe. But what makes us different is that we choose to prefer corporate as a base. It means that the most difficult thing that is happening is to get the people aboard for your events, because CEO, CFO, CMO, chairmen, managing directors, they won't ask for money. You have to literally rush behind them to get a slot in their maybe in their day list, so that you can probably plan a session and then you can host it in the university. So that is what makes a difference. And some more things about Spasmodic I would like to say today is that we were the first organization, like many of us maybe from commerce. So you might know that if you will be able to identify the opportunity and you will be able to change yourself according to the same, then you will get a fast mover advantage. So we are very proud to say that Spasmodic was the first organization. It's like you might see many talk shows happening in Instagram, live sessions happening in the handles of LPU and Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So Spasmodic was the first organization to bring this culture of talk show to Instagram live talk show to LPU. It means when I could remember, it was the month of April when we first began with the talk show format, when we had Mr. Kunal Shawnee, the Senior Vice President of Carnival Cinemas, for a talk show regarding this pandemic only. So from then and there is no looking back, because we began, as we said, we began in January, so it was quite late. So we couldn't think of what to do, what things are to be done, because as soon as we completed probably our first event, that was a successful, and maybe I would say it rarely happens. It was one of those first profitable events that a student organization hosts. Usually first events goes on loss. So it was one of those first events which earned profit for us. So we began from there, but then while reaching out to more, this lockdown happened, and then we shifted from offline to online mode. We thought of doing it, actually we had plans of doing it, but let's say in next 1.5 years maybe. But this pandemic, as we all already are aware of, that it has made us technically capable, tech capable, so that what all would have been done in maybe next 2 to 3 years are already done now. So we immediately shifted, and that boosted us. We have hosted some prominent personalities. I'd like to highlight some of our key personalities that we hosted. Is Mr. Harsh Nanshu, who is the founder and CEO of YourCourt app. YourCourt application, many of us are aware of it. So I guess some are even registered here. So YourCourt application's founder we have hosted on a similar talk show format that we have. It's called Charcha. It is an indigenous talk show format where we drive out the success stories of people and we share it in that platform. So we hosted Mr. Harsh Nihanshu. We hosted Mr. Anna Durai. Many of you had already heard the name. Anna Durai is the auto wala who is like a TEDx speaker as well. You would have heard the name. He has tablets, he has newspapers, books, laptops, everything in his auto at Tamil Nadu, I guess. So we hosted him over a talk show. Next comes the biggest prominent personality that we had for Charcha, Mr. Jatin Ahuja, the founder and MD of Big Boy Toys. So we hosted him regarding the pandemic things. Next, we came up with an event. It was the first e-business conclave, maybe hosted by any student organization in India. So it was the first online virtual business conclave during the pandemic, where we had the theme called COVID change, the climate change due to COVID pandemic. So we had 4 prominent guests over there. It was probably the first business conclave privately being hosted by any student organization in LPU in such a large scale. So we had 4 prominent personalities. One, the opening guest and the guest of honor was Mr. Sameep Shastri. He is the grandson of our late Prime Minister, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, and again he is the vice chairman of BRICS Chambers of Commerce and Industry, and also the chairman of Indian Institute of Governance and Leadership. So the first session was with him. Second session come up with Srimati Shivashankar, who is the corporate vice president of HCL Technologies. Next came up with Mr. Harshit Vyas, who is the chief business officer of OYO. He is one of those prominent members who helped Ritesh Agrawal in building the OYO venture. And last but not the least in the session, we had Mr. Manvinder Singh. He is the CEO of David of India. I would not like to discuss much about the company. We had our foundation day. So Spasmodic celebrates its foundation day on 2nd July. So 2nd July is being considered as the foundation day of Spasmodic. So we hosted a prominent guest, Mr. Brajakishore Mishra, who is the vice chairman of Jindal Tubular USA LLC, a company based in US market, and chairman of UMSL Limited India. So we hosted him. We came to know about different marketing strategies regarding the global market, regarding the demand in the global market, and various other things. Next comes up our latest event that we had is the Speak First. Speak First is actually an indigenous platform being developed by Spasmodic, just like what we see in TEDx format shows or Joe Talks or something like that. So we had different prominent guests in Speak First, like Mr. Vikramjit Singh, who is the founder and CEO of Hiring Plug, like Mrinal Srivastav, who is the vice president of growth and marketing in Shalimar Paints, like different more guests like Mr. Atul Jalan from CEO of Manthan Systems, Mr. Nikhil Arora, I guess. Yeah, Nikhil Arora, who is the MD of GoDaddy India. So he was a prominent guest who had given an end. And yeah, Niharika, right, the president of Welspun Group, Mr. T.S. Kathayat. So he was one of the prominent guests that we had. And the most important thing is that being a tier 2 organization right now, I'd explain you what is this. So being a tier 2 organization, we have the presence. We were one of the first organizations had the presence of Madam Mrs. Rasmi Mittal, who is the Worthy Pro Chancellor of Lovely Professional University, in 3 of our events. So usually they don't come, but we were probably one of those initial organizations to get their presence, to get their attraction towards our organization. And in 9 months, giving such a huge prominent response is a very big thing for any organization. Because when we started, we remember, I hope Ankit would remember this, we would recall the time when we planned up to invite Ashok Mittal sir and Rashmi Mittal ma'am to some of our events. But then we got this gracious opportunity during this lockdown anyways. But we are very humble to them that the thought of coming up to our events and being a part of it. Spasmodic is a tier 2 organization. There are different tiers of evaluation, and we are one of those rare organizations. Actually, this is being judged on the basis of your year performance. In 1 year, whatever the things you are going to do is being judged on the basis of that. So I would say Spasmodic is one of those rare organizations which achieved a tier upgradation, and we came from tier 1 to tier 2 in just a span of 4 to 5 months actually. So live shows, yeah, Anusha. So we are one of those only organizations which posters started to appear in the LPU Instagram handle. So being a tier 1 organization at that time, I would say, when we hosted many prominent personalities. So being at that time and getting an opportunity to get featured on the LPU Instagram handle, so it was a very big thing for us. It was like a dream come true, I would say, in the LPU life maybe. So Spasmodic has come a long way that we have reached over here. We have developed many collaborations with many different companies, and our recent collaborations are with Omnibus, Penta Omnia, and the biggest one, I would say, I already said you that I would tell about it, what makes Spasmodic different and special in the country. That is that we are the only organization in India, student organization in India, to get associated with BRICS Chambers of Commerce and Industries. Right? Yeah, Shubham will surely reach tier 5. Every year we will make an effort to get the tier promotion, to get the same level of output that we had inputted into the organization. And I hope the team that are going to occupy their seats, it means that you all are going to take it to even bigger heights, because by the time I pass out, I guess I have a vision of leaving the team at being in tier 4 probably. Yeah, I would be a tier 4. I wish to make a tier 4 and then leave. So it's furthermore that what team the new team is going to develop, because someday we will be old, and then you will be occupying our seats, and then you will be taking this sort of sessions with the new members and taking the Spasmodic definitely to greater heights. So I was telling about this MOU. Yeah. So we signed a MOU with BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry, under which we are going to associate with them for different events, right? We are going to provide them speakers. We are going to handle their event part to host us live sessions on different platforms. So we have a lot of guests pending. I would like to keep it as a surprise for you all. So yeah, Niharika, that's right, that you are now part of one of the fastest growing organization in LPU, and also well acknowledged organization in LPU, because we have also been featured into different platforms, like even the happenings of LPU, the official news portal of LPU has acknowledged our work, and we have been appreciated by everybody. And working with a platform, international platform like BRICS is a very great thing, because none other organizations in the university has done this yet. And I'm very happy that I have such an enthusiastic team who is ever ready to work with me. See, I would just like to make this very clear to everybody. I basically work with a family that is yet there. I work with a family who is ever ready for work. It means that what we say in Hindi is that वो काम को टालते नहीं है, right? So whenever Ankit, I'd like to unmute you, so you could say this thing that even the work hours stretch out to late nights, right?
Yeah, sure, Bivat. Yeah, sure. So in this opportunity, I would actually like to give them an experience of one of our events. So if you would allow.
Sure.
So basically, mainly the formal part is on other hand, and this informal part of the session is on the other hand. So coming up to this part is like, if we had this event of the on-campus event that is a stock market investing event. So basically, it was an event that was the first launch event of Spasmodic LPU, and I would be proud to say a part of it, which is not so important right now, but I would be proud that it was one of the only organizations in LPU that came up with a profit on the very first event. Like usually, LPU has a tradition that in the first event, people go up to losses or break even, or they just come up with something like, okay, chalo, event to ho gaya. In Hindi, we say that, this event to ho gaya. हम पहले event कर लिए. But Spasmodic is different. We came up with our first event with a flying colors that we have a profit, no matter whatever the amount was, but it was a profit. We celebrated hard with the same amount. So like the whole organization had a celebration with the same. So that is how, and this is the success part now, where comes, as Vibha says, that working hours. That is like, you have to work the day of the event, day before the event. I would share this experience. Like usually hostel diaries are hostel diaries. Every one of you will come to know once you go to hostels. So other than that, the part is like, it was a day before event. We had excess number of registrations and we didn't have the seat to cover up the same. So we had a capacity of 70 plus members, and on the last day we had an excess of 8 members with us. So what we cannot do it because we cannot cancel the registrations also, because people have interested as unregistered, and also we were unable to arrange anything. So what happened was we were unable to sleep the whole night. Like I, Bivas, Amlan, and some other members of the organization, we were all awake till around 3 a.m. at night, and we were like, kya hoga, kya kar sakte hai? So it was morning 6 a.m. When we decided, chal dekhte hai, jo hoga dekha jayega. And Bivas came out. Bivas was off to the Mittal School of Business. It's our home ground. So basically, that is the place we call our second home. So Bivas came up at 7 in the morning to MSOB, and we had the event scheduled from 9. So he was like, he first called of the security person कि भैया पहले चाबी खोल दो, हमें इससे बेहतर रूम का जरूरत है, because we cannot accommodate in the same room. So that is how the thing started, and then we had to go to the admin office, the hierarchies of the like Spasmodic faculties. So that the HOD, that sir, it is a request that in the last month we need a change in the room. So like there it doesn't end, because the details are usually shared with the participants much earlier, like a day before. So we had to also take care of the same, that the participants are not going back, like they are not thinking that the event is cancelled. So we had to go for a spot message. We had to divide our members, let them go in front of the old venue to inform the new members. And we had the whole thing sorted out like in a half an hour duration. So basically a night without sleep, a week with full span working, because we did this event at a span of 5 to 7 days. So we had a registration of 80 plus members with a good amount to register, because it was a workshop on stock market investing, and we had a company CEO who was coming for the market workshop itself. So we had the team on full span working for the last 1 week. Event का पूरा जितना भी मतलब हो सकता है सारा इंतजाम करना, and all of it. So that's how, like, I say to this, that when you go for hard work, you don't need to do the hard work. Like whatever comes from inside. That's the whole part. Now that was all an experience from my side. Now it was up to you.
I would like to add up something over here. Ankit, you might remember our venue getting cancelled in the last moment. And we were roaming and rushing around like anything, that we need a new venue to be fixed up, and then we would need our participant conveyance so that they won't have to face any sort of hurdle from the old venue to the new venue. And last moment we were like, is it going to happen? Is it actually going to happen? Because the whole morning went rough, like getting the guests from the university gate to the hotel, dropping him, then going back, then coming and arranging of the venues. So it was like completely of a situation going gaga, what we say. So it was completely like an experience that everybody is going to witness. So every happiness is celebrated well, every work are highlighted well, and every opportunities are highlighted very well. Okay. So this thing was very important for us, and the way more opportunities that I already spoke about. So it is going to be received by every one of us who are going to give our dedication. So now I'm done with the formal part. So let's take it in the other way. Let's take it a bit info. So I guess Prem sir is here. Is Prem sir here?
Yeah,
Or is
he
he
was.
left?
No, he was. Wait.
Okay, I guess he's left. Okay, I guess he left. I'll just check it out with him. In the meantime, Ankit, you can go with some member stuff.
Yeah, okay, sure. So what I will do is like I will come up with two more parts in the next 10 minutes. That is one, I will just give you a brief about a future prospect, and then let's have a interaction session with all the members right now. So first of all, like I would work about the future prospect. So what we are planning is like currently during the lockdown, we all are at home. So obviously we cannot go for on-campus events. So what we will do is like we are planning for more online events. That is like a part 2 of the Charcha and a part 2 of the second part of the Speak First event. So this is where you will be working very closely with all my lead members, that is the head of the management. So you all will be working closely. You all will be getting to know that how to work, how to get the guest online, how to pitch them, and each and every detail. So these are the things that you will be going in the next few months. And then we are once back in campus, I can assure you that we are ready with a blast. We have a number of events that we have planned. Obviously, we cannot confirm them unless we are on campus. So things are planned, very well planned, in fact. And yes, for the next few days, we will be working online only for one or a few of the best events. Now that sums up the future prospect, and the vision is mission is already covered by Vivas. So what will happen is like I will request now each and every member that if it is possible, it is not a compulsion, but if it is possible to turn on your video, let's have a small informal conversation with everyone so that we get to know each other very well. So the ones who are comfortable with switching on the video or the audio, at least they can do so. If not, it will be appreciated if you do the same. That's all. So if you are willing to do the same, you can just turn on your mic, and then we can have a small chit-chat conversation that why did you join Spasmodic and how do you expect that we will be working together. Anyone who wants to take it up, anyone, please feel free. Now it is an informal part, and we would appreciate if anyone comes up.
Ankit.
Yeah.
I guess Prem sir is here, so we'll let him speak some words and share some wisdom with the team, and then we can proceed towards the informal communication what we are going to have with the members, right?
Yeah, sure. Prem sir, off to you.
Prem sir, you can take it in a formal or informal, any way you feel comfortable to.
Okay. A very good morning and welcome you all. I hope the voice is audible because I don't have a earphone actually right now.
Yes, sir. And sir, before speaking, I would like to introduce you to everybody. So he is Mr. Prem Punjabi. We all are aware that Spasmodic already has a startup, Spasmodic Private Limited. So Prem sir is the chairman of the startup. So he is heading all of us with his strong, profound vision. So I would like to request Prem sir to take this ahead. So please.
So very warm welcome to Spasmodic Student Organization, and good morning everyone. And I already heard a lot, and everything has been said already by Bivas, Ankit, and all the members already. And I hope that you enjoy your time over here and you learn a lot from this talented people, especially Bivas, Ankit, Amlan, Muskan, Niharika. They're doing so well. They're handling the organization so well. Mostly I will not be an active part because I will not be in LPU most of the time. But whenever the organization needs me, I will be traveling to LPU and working with you guys. And it's not that I will also learn from you guys because you will be having a great exposure over there. And looking forward to working with you guys very soon after the COVID. We want the live events, so because having events virtually is okay, it's great, but working live along with the whole team, that is something we dreamt of, and we want to work as a team together at one place, work together and work as a family, as already Ankit told. I was hearing that, and looking forward, guys, looking forward. And any queries if you have, you can just unmute and ask. And it's an open conversation. I think so. It's a video call, so I think so everybody can turn on their mics and video at least. At least you can see who all are the members and let them introduce as well. Like I request everybody to please turn on the video because it's a video call, na? So let us see each other.
Please, guys, please go on.
I would like to share one more thing. We have Prem sir. So Prem sir is a very prominent part of the organization because what is that Prem sir is soon going to be a chartered accountant by profession. Along with that, Prem sir is also into an educational venture. It's called Unite Learning. So what with a core vision that learning should not be boring. So along with learning, you should be exposed to many more different things that you simultaneously need during the building up and grooming. So thank you so much, Prem sir.
Thank you, Vivas.
So basically, I want to know that people are ashamed of themselves, or they don't want to show their face. Like, which is the one? Because neither do we look good, so we are showing our faces. Why won't you? That's the question. So anyone?
Uncle, if it aren't happening, see. Okay, we just got up. So the thing is, what they can do is, if not being able to turn on their video, at least they can turn on their audio to introduce themselves, so that we can know a bit regarding what sort of things that we have in the organization, right?
Yeah,
Vivas,
sure.
I think Shubham wants to say something.
Yeah, sure, he can.
Anyone who wants to go.
Shubham, please go ahead.
Are you guys able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah, myself, Irshad, as you can see my name on the screen itself. I completed my BTech from LPU itself. I have 1.5 years of experience as a server administrator from Meditab software company, and now I'm pursuing my MBA from our Mittal School of Business, that is LPU. Thank you. Hoping to meet you guys very soon. And my question is there any way that you people changing this organization to company in future?
It is already a company, buddy.
No, with I'm telling which is going on in what I can say, some like you have conducted some events, right? Like in bridging a gap between the professionals and students.
Yes.
Contacting these guys, like that. Is there any like revenue generation like that? I have this question in my mind.
Yes. We definitely have. See. One important thing is that unless and until we are in the pandemic, we can't focus on revenue generation activities, because we all are well aware what is going on. Okay. Yeah. So when we are on campus events, as far as the on campus and LPU events are concerned, or any other part events are concerned, we are strictly into revenue generation only. We don't focus on these free events being conducted, right?
Yeah, right. That's what.
So we are strictly focused into revenue generation.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you, Isha. Anyone else who would like to? Any questions? Anything?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah. Hi, Lenin. Hi.
Yes. Hello. My name is Lenin, and I have done my BCom from SC College Sri Ganganagar. I belong to Sri Ganganagar, and I have joined LPU in the course of MBA. Yes, and I am very pleased to see you all, and I have heard a lot about Spasmodic, and I am very pleased to be a part of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Lenin. Anyone else who would like to join in the conversation?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Shubham.
Very good morning to all of us.
Morning.
My name is Shubham, and I work I was in LPU like 2013 to 2018. I done my BTech from Lovely Professional University.
He's not audible properly, I guess.
Now it's audible.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have lots of memory from Lovely Professional University. Actually, I was a member of DSA also in lots of organization like NSS, SOC also, and I have like One India. I have worked in One India and Youth Vibe also. You know, Youth Vibe is one of the biggest event of LPU, and we work 24 into 7 for that event. We have lots of activity like out campus participants, in campus participants, room to room promotion. We did lots of things in LPU, and you know, one of member is talking about after 9 to 5 after class you have to manage your 5 p.m. to for the rest of time, like after 5. So there is a things like we have lots of friend, like we have lots of member, we have organization member also. So there is a lots of things you can manage easily, and they will solely with you. You can go for eating something, you can go for managing something, you can go for any discuss for any event also. So there's a lots of things you can do for that after 5. And I have lots of experience like I was selected for a NASA integration camp from LPU, and I visited Assam also. So like I did lots of social work. Right now I am joining for MBA in LPU. So I need some professional work and some like informal work. So for that I have joining Spasmodic. Okay.
It's
Yeah,
really great.
Shubham, Ankit, I'd like to take a bit of charge in replying to him. Then you
Yeah,
can
sure.
proceed. So, Shubham bhai, the thing is, that's what we want even. Along with what we do, along with what we learn, we want even our members to be groomed in the same manner as we look forward to work together. So, as we have already done with the core team that we have built in past 9 months. So, our primary focus first is building up your profile. Next is giving you a proper work culture without much pressure, because what we believe is not implying what of a lot of stress on the people, but rather what we do is that we believe why not we allocate the work well in advance, and why to do it in the last moment and put up unnecessary pressure on the members, right? So that is what our prime focus is. Along with
Yes,
that,
yes, surely. Vivas.
yeah.
Actually, only one thing you have faced in LPU. Like if you manage your CA, you can do whatever you want. Only one thing.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you. If you're managing academics well, you can take over anything. You can harness each and every other part in the campus. That's totally fine. So it's really great to have someone with your experience, Shubham, with us. So thank you for tuning in. Anyone else who has anything else to say? Anyone? Okay, so yes, Aditya, yes.
Ankit, I want to talk to Niharika that she was telling me that girls are very confident nowadays. So I'm not seeing that confidence here. Niharika, can you say something about that?
Yes, Aditya, can you please elaborate your question?
I'm saying that you were telling me that girls are very confident nowadays, but I'm not seeing that confidence here. No one is speaking.
अरे it's not like that, Aditya. क्या हो रहा है यार? कहाँ हो तुम लोग? कोई तो आओ, देखो. इज्जत की
So
बात
yeah,
Guys,
I
Ankit,
believe what I see,
Arpit,
Niharika.
Arpit sir is, Niharika, one second, Arpit sir is joining in a while.
हाँ, okay, no problem.
Okay. So Ankit, Arpit sir won't be able to join maybe in the video part, but he'll be joining in the audio. So he's joining in a while. He just made me a call, okay?
okay, sure. निहारिका 1 मिनट म्यूट कर ले.
हाँ, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so yes, we are off to you.
No. You can continue. You can ask more
Okay.
members to drop in.
Okay, so see, just use whatever you saw right now was the exactly how we work. We are very friendly. We are very like on the part of like funny all the time. There is nothing to be serious. Like formal work के जगह आते हैं. But जब family एक साथ काम करते हैं तो उसमें formal नहीं, उसमें informal होना पड़ता है. So that is how we work.
अंकित
Yeah,
भाई,
yeah.
अगर इनफॉर्मल की बात आती है तो मुझे एक शायरी सुनाने का बहुत मन करता है.
अरे वाह, चलो हो जाए.
Go ahead.
ओके, सो मैं लोगों से मुलाकातों के लम्हे याद रखता हूँ. मैं लोगों से मुलाकातों के लम्हे याद रखता हूँ. बातें भूल भी जाऊं मगर लहजे याद रखता हूँ. भरे महफिल निगाहें जिनकी मुझ पे पड़ती हैं. भरे महफिल निगाहें जिनकी मुझ पे पड़ती हैं. निगाहों के जरिए वो चेहरे याद रखता हूँ. और दोस्ती की है तो निभाऊंगा जी जान से. दोस्ती की है तो निभाऊंगा जी जान से. मैं दोस्तों के जरिए वो चेहरे याद रखता हूँ.
वाह 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 वाह, बहुत बढ़िया शुभम भाई, क्या बात बोले.
बहुत बड़े भाई.
Vivash, do we have some time before sir joins us?
Sir is already here.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Good
sir.
morning, Ankit.
So here we have Arpit Sidhu sir, who is our faculty facilitator.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir is a faculty from Mitchell School of Business and he is leading us as a faculty facilitator. It means he is the supremo of the organization, as we can say. So I would like Arpit sir to take on from here.
Okay, so very good morning, first of all, to everyone. Sorry, I can't share my camera because I'm in between the bad network, so really sorry for it. So, everybody, good morning and welcome to the Spasmodic family. Okay, we are very much happy, like all of you are like with the part of our organization, and I'm hoping for the positive cooperative venture in the future related to the organization as well, related to the another workshop, webinars, or any kind of activities which we are going to be involved in the near future. So first of all, from my heart, I'm just saying this thing, that is welcome, very heartily welcome to all of you. Okay, and second thing, okay, I'm not going to take much time. Okay, just one thing I'm expecting from all of you, that is cooperation and a good decision making, because only two things are the best things in this world and related to this management system, and that is good decision making and good cooperative or cooperation between the people, right? And we are having Vivash, we are having Ankit, we are having Prem sir. Okay, so even though Prem sir is having a great contribution in this organization, and Vivash, Ankit is the founding member of this. We are having the another founding member like Niharika, other Aditya. Many names are there. We can't say that it is only founded by one person or something. It is the organization, like having everyone is contributed in this organization, and you are going to join us, so you are also going to contribute it, right? So ये सबके लिए है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई एक कुछ करेगा या फिर एक को ही सुनना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? तो बस यही है कि गुड डिसीजन मेकिंग अपनी तरफ से करो, गुड कोऑपरेशन करो, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है. उसके अलावा आप लोग कोऑर्डिनेशन से कर ही लोगे. तो मेरी तरफ से तो इतना ही था. बाकी विवाश, कंटिन्यू प्लीज.
Yeah, so basically now you heard our faculty facilitator. So we are being led by two prominent personalities. One is Arpit sir and one is Prem sir. So both are the torch bearer of this organization, and both are having a great infuse of ideas and vision that we are working on day and night. We are working very hard to keep it enlightened, and at least to keep it in the eyes of people, unless and until we are working, because the day you become obsolete or the day become outdated, you won't be of any use to anybody. So it is until the day you were what we say in the term is that जब तक hype में हो तब तक चलते रहोगे. एक बार hype खत्म तो फिर वो जैसे वो था ना कि JCB की खुदाई वाला, तो एक बार hype खत्म तो hype खत्म सारा चीजों का. ट्रेंड आते हैं, विनोद का भी कुछ दिन चलेगा, विनोद का भी चला गया, देखो आ गया फिर वो रसोड़े में कौन था वाला आ गया फिर. तो वही हाल होने वाला है. तो अगर ट्रेंड में रहोगे तो चलते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही चलते रहेंगे, लेकिन जिस दिन ट्रेंड गया तो उस दिन समझ लो खत्म है बात, सीधा खलास है भाई, ठीक है। Ankit, you would like to tell something?
Yeah, so coming up to the almost end of the session, मैं एक quote करना चाहूंगा सबके लिए. So this is basically not a quote. I would rather say that I want a promise from everyone that we all will be working together in the future. So what I believe is today I will do what others won't. So tomorrow I can what others can't. इसका बहुत खूबसूरत मीनिंग है एक, that आज हम कुछ ऐसा काम करेंगे ना जो बाकी और कर नहीं रहे, ताकि कल हम वो कर सकें जो बाकी नहीं कर सकते. So this is basically the work that we put in, the efforts that we put in are actually a fruit to our tomorrow. So that is what we believe in Spasmodic. So that's all from my side. Signing off.
One more thing I would like to add up what Ankit said is that probably the world loved what Elon Musk was doing, right, Ankit?
Yeah.
When that man was developing a rocket in the SpaceX company, which could actually come back from the atmosphere and have a self landing facility, which would land back, the boosters would come back. So all the world were laughing on him that he is a dumb man, another nincompoop who is going to lose his fortune on these experimental things. But the thing is that now we can see SpaceX is most advanced rocket company in the world right now, even surpassing NASA. That is not a very big thing for them to do so. So कुछ लोगों का ट्रेंड कभी नहीं जाता. Yeah, right. So ट्रेंड भी I like to tell one thing, ट्रेंड भी तभी तक रहता है जब तक आप उस ट्रेंड के पीछे मेहनत करो, right? So फेम तभी तक रहता है when we right, Warren Buffett. But even Warren Buffett works typically hard to keep him on that track, because decision making का जो एक process रहता है, that is the most difficult part that anybody has to handle, even if he leads a very normal and nominal life. So we have to do that only, that कि जो efforts हम लोग को देने हैं, that efforts we have to give. One thing I would like to quote that I personally believe on is that desire to dream and dare to commit are the only mantras to success. It means that it is a very, very good thing that comes up is that if you have your desire to dream, अगर सपने देखने की चाहत है, and dare to commit, अगर उन्हें पूरा करने का हौसला है, तो आपको कोई भी पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकता. This is the quote that I personally follow every day. I wake up with, okay, that dream big. जितना बड़ा सपना देख सकते हो उसके लिए कोई आपके पास restrictions नहीं है, कोई टैक्स नहीं लगाएगा उस पे. But the thing is that आपके अंदर वो हौसला होना चाहिए, वो सपना पूरा करने की कीमत होनी चाहिए अपने अंदर, वो पेशेंस होना चाहिए, not to quit and keep on doing the things until you accomplish your goals. Because अगर फर्स्ट टाइम में ही Elon Musk हार मान जाता, तो वो आज वहां नहीं होता जहां पे वो है. अगर फैल्कन 1 के ब्लास्ट के बाद वो बुरा मान जाता या वो चीजें छोड़ देते, so he should not have been where it is today, building the world's most heaviest rocket, the Falcon Heavy. So वही चीज है कि unless and until the time you give on your efforts, you give in your blood and sweat, you will be recognized. Recognition is a secondary part always, because the primary thing is that अगर आप fail भी करते, what people always say, even if you fail, you learn something, you learn a way of doing the things in a much different manner, right? So आपको धीरे धीरे efforts डालना पड़ेगा. Yes, Asif rightly said, initially everybody should have to put up efforts for gaining a better output, because you won't get something just by sitting idle and making comments on the things, right? So we will get everything because जब वो success हमको मिल जाएगा, the time when we will achieve it, so वो चीज होता है when you give a blood and sweat to it, you actually feel that contribution that you made, you actually feel emotional towards the success that you made, and you get connected to it through your whole and soul. So एक ही चीज है, the only thing I want everybody to drop in the comment box as like what Ankit said, that you promise, so just drop in the chat box, I promise. So you promise to give your efforts for us, you promise to build yourself, you promise yourself to build you as a good human, to you as a good professional, to you as somebody who is going to take up active responsibilities, as somebody who is going to truly surpass your dreams, who is going to fulfill your dreams, who is going to be dedicated, not to quit, and to stay on and giving your efforts towards fulfilling your dreams. Right. So I want everybody who is agreeing to me to just drop on the chat box that I promise. So this I promise will remind you that you have promised yourself, not us, not anybody else. Nobody is going to stay with you forever. So it is just a promise from yourself that whatever you are going to do is for yourself. If you are doing it to fulfill your vision, ultimately it is going to contribute towards that 0.00001% of the population which you are a part of, right? So once you do that, you will be on a right track to fulfill your goals, to fulfill your visions, and all the dreams that you have. Ankit, I guess you have already talked about the department distribution that will be done in next few days, right?
No, I haven't actually said that. That was the end point
So
actually.
you can inform that.
Yeah. So basically, this ends us with the induction session of the day. So I would just like to give you two more information for the timing. That is one, from now on, you're officially starting to work with our full team. So we will be very soon dividing you into different departments as per your preference or the way we think that we will be working together in the future. So you will be very soon divided and you will be assigned the heads of your department and we'll be working together. So also with this, I would like to say that maybe we are conducting or will be conducting 2 or 3 development sessions in the upcoming future. Maybe some of the senior members will take some development session in the marketing and other department so that we can very well go ahead with the same work as we are before returning to the campus itself. So yeah, that's all from my side. I would like to take it off here. Vivas, off to you.
Okay. So here we are. I want everyone to speak in the future meeting. Okay. Yes, guys. Once you get distributed, henceforth you all have to participate. Arpit sir, you want to add something?
No. It's good. It's perfectly fine. You said everything. You and Ankit contributed in the good manner. Everything.
Thank you so much, sir.
Prem
so
sir,
here basically
Prem
we
sir
reach.
did want to continue with something or?
Prem sir already spoke, but Arpit sir is here, so I want you to add up something, Prem sir, if you want to.
Yes, sir.
Before concluding.
They took the whole session very beautifully, and they said everything, and everything is done. And I like everybody to enjoy. Enjoy the time over here. Enjoy the time with Spasmodic, and we are here to gear you up for everything. And let's go ahead, Vivas.
Okay. So before concluding, I would like to thank everybody, and I would like to heartily welcome you to this family. We don't call it as a team very often. We call it as a family. Family, matlab, not in the other sense. So family, matlab, I would tell you with this very small thing, and I'll conclude with that. We will be done by then. So family as in, we'll be working, we'll be learning, we'll be knowing about different things, we'll be failing, we'll be getting up, we'll be running again. Okay? So it's not to quit. जैसे होता है कि what we say is that we will work, we will get scolded for the things we don't very often learn. Maybe we get scolded, but घर में family में अगर कोई डांटता है तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम उनको गाली देके चले जाएं, right? So it is moreover to learn, not scolding in a other way, scolding in a way that we will make you understand how the things can be done in a much fruitful manner than what it is already done. This is the extremate part I am talking about. This is the most extreme part that could happen. But otherwise, another being a family, you already have heard about the experience about what our members and core team already shared with you. So it is moreover like a happy memories that we create. We celebrate every moment. We celebrate all the success that we have with great parties, right? So it is like as hard as you work, you will be getting your celebration to that extent. So basically, I would like to again welcome all the members and looking forward to work with everybody in the campus, off campus, right now in this pandemic, and a lot more of experiences to come up with, right? So with this, I would like to end the session over here. And thank you, Prem sir and Arpit sir, especially for sharing those words of wisdom and coming up. We have learned a lot of things from you all, so we hope to keep on learning more. And here I, Vivas Mishra, CEO of Spasmodic, sign off officially. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
You can, now, you can now leave the meeting.
Thank you all. Thank you for joining us for the day. सारे और members हैं?
No, just wait. Okay, do one thing. Ankit.
हाँ बोल.
Do one thing. You all leave this meeting. I'm going to send you one more link.
हाँ दूसरा लिंक भेज दे. अच्छा विवास, I will be taking off. ठीक है, मैं और join नहीं कर पाऊंगा अभी.
No issues.
हाँ चलो सब bye. Okay. निहारिका अपने ईयरफोन ठीक कर ले यार.
पंखे की आवाज आ रही लगता है आज.
मैं लिंक भेज रहा हूँ. 4 members do join on the other link. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, okay. Bye all. Bye.
Bye.